My name is Aisatu Kaiwa, and I'm here to witness the Pekin for Be Pekin show. I believe that this movie sent a lot of message because, as the title of a movie is Pekin for Be Pekin, children should know that they are children. They should not take themselves as like grown up women. They should know that as long as they're going to school, they should know that they are children and to maintain that particular title, children.
So, of course, you're an artist. Congratulations for your new song that you just dropped. But please, you have to give us an acapella. Give a small acapella. Let's just hear. Let them know the taste of that voice, that melodious voice.
Day and night, I pray for say good vibes. Day and night, I wish for make a shine. All day, I pray for make a elevate to be a star. I wanna be on top of the world. Oh yeah, I wish to fulfill every dream I know. Say, I soon get for make a.
Woo, that's amazing. So, if a young girl is watching you right now, what advice would you just give her? Just a short one.
Okay, first of all, as a young girl watching me today, my advice to you is that know that you are beautiful and don't allow people, like example, those boys, to first tell you that you're beautiful. You already know you're beautiful, you are smart, you are brave, and know that you should go to school because at the end of it all, if you become educated, there's a lot of things that you achieve later.
All right. So, tell us who did your makeup, your gorgeous makeup.
The one that did it is Christiana,
Oh, really?
a friend of mine. We went to college together.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful
Oh, thank you, Avina.